Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naveed and I'm a student of Britco. Today we got a set which is dead and we are going to proceed for its further diagnostic test. The customer has given us this iPhone 12 and I have already opened this. Now I will go to check its DC supply. And now we will connect the 12 power supply connector. And now we will going to supply this DC power and over alarm and it's showing it's like a leakage over there. Now we will check the battery connector values. For value checking, we are using the software of CXW and we will open as we have iPhone 12 software, iPhone 12 model. So we'll go for this and we'll check the values. This is the battery connector and we can see the value over there is 302. We will use the multimeter and to check the value on the motherboard. After checking, I observe it's giving a 00 value, whereas it should give us 302. Connection is going other side, and for this I need to separate the motherboard. After separating the motherboard, we need to clean the side connection because there are some connection are joined. So after cleaning the boards, we will check the battery connector values again. The short is still there. We need to further check it. We are checking the short component with the help of short camera. We can see that one component is red and that is the component which is short now. We have removed the short capacitor. Now we will check the battery values. If you can see that the battery values are coming here now. Before that there was no value. We will supply DC now and check this whether the set is on or not. Now all is working. Now I am confident to resolving the problem of the dead phone, which is the technical course of the level 3 and level 4 at the Britco Institute.
Britco and Bridco Dubai. www.britcodubai.com